Hello. So I'm currently in between classes right now, and the lighting in my room is pretty far right now. I'm not even using my ring light. So I decided let's film this week's video. Which is also why I'm wearing a hoodie, and I don't feel like changing. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get the cute aesthetic iOS 14 home screen that we are all trying to get right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is obviously download iOS 14, and there are two apps you're going to need. You want to go to the App Store and download the apps Widgetsmith and Shortcuts. Widgetsmith is the app you use to get these bigger icons. It's also what you use to get a clock or a calendar. And then Shortcuts is the app you use to make your app icons cute. It also definitely helps if you have Pinterest because it makes finding these cute aesthetic icons a lot easier. So the first thing you want to do is choose what aesthetic, if you will, you want to go for. I hate the word aesthetic, but it's the only word I can think of. Theme. What theme you want to go for. Oh, little fun fact about me, I get bored of aesthetics very easily, so I knew if I went for like a bohemian aesthetic, I was gonna get bored of it, or a pastel aesthetic, I was gonna get bored of it. So I decided to do it based on something I'm interested in, and I'm very interested in film, so mine is kind of film themed. Also, if you go on Pinterest and just look up film aesthetic, you will get an aesthetic like this. So this is what mine looks like. I have the calendar up top, a couple of film photos, and for the app icons, I just did these simplistic white ones. So the first thing you want to do is open the app Widgetsmith, and you can choose between a small widget, a medium widget, and a large widget. I chose a medium widget for my calendar on my phone. So what you want to do is click Add Medium Widget, and then click on it. Click in the middle, and then you can decide if you want a calendar or a clock, or if you want to upload your own photo. So for the medium widgets, I think it's really cute to have a calendar. So I really like this one that's titled Big Day. And then you're going to click font, and you can change the font. I'm going to go with New York. Then you can change the color of the text. I personally like it just in white. And then you can change the background color. And in mine, I chose the dark red color. So once you have your widget all set, you're going to go back to the home screen, then just hold down on the home screen, and you are going to press this plus button in the top right corner, and it's going to give you all these options. You're just going to scroll down until you find the app Widgetsmith, choose medium widget, and then click on that widget that you just added, and choose whatever number the widget was that you just edited. However, what I did for most of my Widgetsmiths is I did a small Widgetsmith with these photos to make it look cute. So all you're going to do for that is, again, open the app Widgetsmith, and then you can do whatever size you want, but I want a small widget. Add small widget. And then you're going to scroll down until you find custom, and then you're going to add a photo. So I'm going to add this photo from Little Women. Choose photo. Then you're going to click on it again and hit save. Then you do the same thing. Just hold down, hit the plus, scroll down to Widgetsmith, add small widget, and then choose the number of the widget you just edited. So that is how you do the Widgetsmiths. Now I'm going to teach you how to do shortcuts. Shortcuts are a little bit more complicated. Go into the Shortcuts app. Then you're going to select the plus button in the top right corner. This has a lot of steps, so try to keep up. Hit Add Action. Then you're going to hit Scripting and select Open App. Then you're going to choose the app you want it to open. Say I wanted it to open Netflix. You're going to hit Netflix, and then you are going to press the three dots in the top right corner, and you're going to hit Add to Home Screen. Name it whatever app it is. Click the photo next to the name to select a photo. I currently don't have a photo for Netflix yet, so I'm gonna just hit the FaceTime icon, select choose, and then hit add. After that check goes, you're all good. And I can show you, just hit Netflix, and then it will take you to Netflix. So yeah, I found all these photos off of Pinterest. You can also get them off of Google, I just think Pinterest is easier. And yeah, just be creative with it. I really want to see someone do like a Halloween themed one with all the ghost photo shoots that are trending right now. I think that'd be really cute. I tried to do that, but it didn't look great. So if you do that, please DM me on Instagram and show me. And it definitely takes a long time, so if you don't have a lot of time on your hands, maybe don't start. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ella and I upload videos every single Saturday, or at least I try to. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!